As you add more and more images, PDFs, videos, or whatever it is, you're going to have a lot of media files building up inside of WordPress. And there'll come a time where you want to find something that you know is in there already. So the way to do that, there's two ways. There's the media library link here on the side, and this takes you to the full media library. Now, keep in mind there's a menu up top here that allows you to sort. So if you're just looking for video, for example, you could go like that, and then you're only having to look through the videos. Again, if it's only images you want, and so on. The other thing you might want to do, notice here I have 49 items, and I've got 3 pages worth of them. Well, that means I'm only showing about 20 per page. So I go to my screen options here, and I can actually change that number. So I always like to change this to something fairly large, and then I've got a lot all on one page. And I have to do less. Notice now I don't even have any pages to be flipping through. Alright, so this is how you can find them. You can also look by date. If you know sort of roughly when you may have uploaded it, you could also search by that and say, find me everything that was put up in March. And that will reduce the number you have to look for, of course. Now, another way to find media files is to actually do a search for them. So if I put beach in here and I hit search, here's what I find. Anything that has the word beach in it. Now, one of the things you might notice if you look over on the right here is these all seem to be done in March. And that's because I never changed this. And sometimes people get caught by this. You know, I can't find that one, and I'm sure I uploaded it about that beach, but it's not here. Well, you have to remember to switch this back before you do your search. So now we're going to filter on all dates and only items with beach in them. There we go. Just something to keep in mind when you're doing searching. What are you searching on? That's the way then that you can look for items in your media library through this link over on the sidebar. Now you can, of course, search the media library if you're in a post. Let's go in here, and we're going to go to our upload insert. It doesn't really matter which of the icons you choose. You just go to media library, and you can find it through here. Now keep in mind, because I open the images icon, it automatically goes to images here, but I can switch it back to all types. Quite often people will do that and they'll forget that they clicked on the images icon, and then they're thinking, where's my PDFs? I know I uploaded a PDF, but it's not showing. That's because you'd already filtered something by clicking on the images icon. Now here we don't have a choice of how many to show per page, so you will get just 10 at a time, which means you're going to have a lot of pages to go through. So the search becomes very important here, and you can filter by date as well. You just can't have as many on the screen at one time. So those are ways that you can find your media files after you've uploaded them into WordPress.